If you're looking for a house in a Riverview area, here's the one for you. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and a 3-car garage. Also, a den or office. Plus over 20,000 in upgrades, starting with this screen porch. It has a split floor plan, and as you get in the entrance, you will see the 2 bedrooms on this side and the guest bathroom. And as you can see, in every bedroom has a TV mount ready to plug in your TV. And heading down this hallway, you will see straight ahead one of the other rooms, a laundry, and then this here is the 3-car garage. And as you walk into this bedroom, you will see that it has its own bathroom, which it will be great for a teenager or in-law that lives with the family. And some of the upgrades in this house is the smart security system throughout the house, the full home filtration system, As you can see, this is an open kitchen that is a family room and dining room combo. On this side is a den that you can make it an office, a yoga room, a playroom, a fitness room. Let's check out this master bedroom. Here you have a shower, dual sink, very large closet, So now let's go check out this fully fenced backyard. And this house will not last. In this community, there's something for the whole family to do. And thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give me a like, and share this video with someone.